My dear friends, I am Shambhu Prasad Hotta, lecturer, Department of Logic and Philosophy, Navarampur College, Navarampur, Odisha. On this topic, Gandhian ethics, I tried my level best to explain about Gandhiji's thought relating to ethics. If you are satisfied on the topic, then please like, share or comment. Again, you are requested to subscribe the channel if you are watching it for the first time. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is popularly known as the father of nation, Mahatma Bapuji, was born on 2nd October 1869. He was not only a political philosopher but also a great social reformer. His thought was to establish a welfare state which is known as Ramarajya. He wanted to bring a social revolution in India as well as in other neighboring countries of the India. He was strongly opposing and also fighting against the caste system, untouchability, social evils, superstitions, and different blind beliefs was strongly opposed by Gandhiji. Gandhiji was giving importance on duty. For him, duty is God, so that everyone should well aware about duty. According to him, we must have to perform our duty thinking that it is our duty. Like the doctrine of Niskama Karma in Bhagavad Gita, Gandhiji was also advocating about the duty without looking its consequence or result. According to him, the fate can be determined only after the duty or work. So we have to work first, then think about the fate. Gandhiji is of opinion that the reformation of society is possible only when we give importance on truth and non-violence. Gandhiji admitted that the religion is one that is humanity and the caste is one that is humanness. Gandhian ethics was centralized by four concepts like Satya, Ahimsa, end and means, and Satyagraha. Satya means truth and Agraha means attachment or clinging. Hence, Satyagraha means attachment or clinging to the truth. For Gandhiji, Satya is the knowledge of truth and Agraha is the action according to the truth. The concept of Satyagraha stands for the love of truth. Similarly, the concept of Ahimsa or non-violence is the path to attain the truth. Both Ahimsa and Satyagraha are the two sides of the same coin. These two concepts constitute the foundation of Gandhian thought. The positive meaning of the word Ahimsa and Satyagraha is doing something for others without any benefit in return. Gandhiji is a practical idealist. According to Gandhi, means and ends are just like a seed and a tree. There is a clear-cut relationship between seed and a tree. Without seed, there can be no tree, and vice versa. For Gandhiji, if the means adopted by a person is good, then definitely the end will good. In Sarvodaya movement, Gandhiji laid emphasis on all-round development of people relating to political, social, economic and educational field. For him, the patriotic spirit must be developed in the society. There should be no difference between rich and poor, haves and have-nots. Gandhiji was a true humanist. He strongly rejected the Varna system. For him, the common goal of everybody should be for the betterment of the society. All religions are equal before the eyes of Gandhiji. If we follow the vision of Gandhiji, then definitely our country, India, will turn into Ramarajya. There is no doubt on it. Thanking you for watching my channel.